Okay, language explorers. Let's look at today's noun, health. Health. How strong, or weak, 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 or ill, you are. Ill. Ill. Oh. How ill you are, or the mental or physical state, or how someone is, or how someone or something is, the state of it. I go to the gym and I have good health. I go to the gym every day. I have good health. It is important to look after your health. Health. Yes. Yeah, you need good health to enjoy life. Yes. Very good. Yeah. Their health is not as good as my health, or their health is better than mine. His health is better than mine. Their health is very good. So it's the same, singular or plural. Health is one, and health 2 plus. Yeah. Health. Their health, his health, my health, our health. We are improving our health. We are improving our health. Yeah. Very important. And we've known about good health for a while. Yeah, good health. Yeah. I am always learning new things about health. Yes, about health. The health of a nation. So in this case, it's not just one person, or it's a large group of people. The health of the nation is good. The health of the nation is our priority. Yeah. How cool is that? So, you could even say, the mental health, the physical health. So, the mental health is, or even, not even that. So, mental health is my speciality, my skill. It is what I'm good at. It is what I am good at. Yeah, mental health. Yeah. Physical health is something else. That's gym, exercise, diet. But mental health is a different story. And improving your health takes time. Yeah. It will take a long time before you see results. Yes. You have to work hard at your health to get the benefits, for example, to improve, to see results. Yeah. Yeah. So improving your health is a long-term priority. It's a priority for the long term, not just on a Monday or a Tuesday. It's a long-term thing, months and months, years and years. It's a long-term focus. It is a long-term focus. Yes, very important. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So health. Yes. Now, Can you write a sentence with health in it? Put it in the comments below. Yeah. And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. And you can find me. On Udemy. Just search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.